Integrating Authorize Net Webhook validation is a crucial step in securing your payment system and ensuring the authenticity of incoming webhooks. This tutorial will guide you through the process of validating Authorize Net webhooks. First, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are notifications sent by Authorize Net to your server after a specific event occurs, such as a payment processing or a subscription update. To validate these webhooks, you need to verify that they are genuinely sent by Authorize Net and not by a malicious actor. To start the validation process, you need to obtain the webhook notification and the HMAC key from Authorize Net. The HMAC key is a unique string used to generate a hash-based message authentication code that verifies the authenticity of the webhook. Next, you need to extract the HMAC signature from the webhook notification. The HMAC signature is a base 64 encoded hash value that is included in the webhook notification header. You can extract this signature using your programming language of choice. Once you have the HMAC signature, you can generate a new HMAC signature using the HMAC key and the webhook notification payload. You can use a cryptographic library in your programming language to generate this signature. To validate the webhook, you need to compare the extracted HMAC signature with the generated HMAC signature. If the two signatures match, you can be certain that the webhook is genuine and was sent by Authorize Net. It is also important to note that you should always verify the webhook notification payload to ensure that it is not tampered with during transmission. You can do this by verifying the payload against your own records or by using a digital signature. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to always use HTTPS to encrypt the communication between your server and Authorize Net. This ensures that the webhook notification and the HMAC key are transmitted securely. Additionally, you should always handle webhook notifications asynchronously to avoid blocking your main application thread. This ensures that your application remains responsive even when processing large volumes of webhook notifications. In conclusion, integrating Authorize Net webhook validation is a straightforward process that requires you to obtain the HMAC key, extract the HMAC signature, generate a new HMAC signature, and compare the two signatures. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure the authenticity and integrity of incoming webhooks and secure your payment system.